everyone, welcome to my first video. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can become a bird in a land animal adventure. Now you guys have probably seen this kind of tutorial elsewhere, but I just thought I would do it for my first video. So to do this you will need a level 5 or higher land animal, and you have to be a member. You have to have spaces at the top of your animal switching thing. So what you want to do first is you want to host the search for Greely hard mode, or whichever adventure you prefer. This just gets you really good stuff. And you want to click play, and then really quick after you want to press switch animals, and then press create a new animal. Oops. Sorry, I didn't do it that time. Let's try again. There we go. And now you just want to create a flying animal. And what I like to do is I like to collect this chest at the bottom. And then I like to come up here and get these two prizes. And then you go into the Phantom Fortress, and there is a panda secret passage. It's just across here. And then I like to collect this 300 gem chest. And then once you've finished with the adventure, you can recycle the bird that you've created. And then you can repeat the process over and over, and you won't be losing any gems. You can get really good items from this, but you can also get very bad items. So there we go. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!